Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by turning Bluetooth on, open Settings, tap Bluetooth and toggle it. You need the accessory already in pairing mode. Press its pairing button or follow its LED cue so the phone can see it. Once done, keep both devices close, ideally within 3 meters, because Bluetooth range affects discovery. Make sure airplane mode is off. If you use Control Center, press and hold the network box to confirm Bluetooth is active. Now watch for the accessory name to appear under My Devices or Other Devices. When the accessory appears under Other Devices, tap its name to start pairing. You're authorizing a secure link. If a PIN or confirmation appears, enter or accept it. Common codes include 0000 or 1234, but your device may show a unique number you must confirm. Once you accept, the iPhone exchanges keys to create a trusted connection. This can take a few seconds. Make sure the accessory remains in pairing mode until settings shows connected or paired, and then test audio or controls to verify functionality. To finish, select the accessory as your audio or device output, open Control Center or the app and choose the Bluetooth device so it reconnects automatically next time. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth. Toggle it off, wait 5 seconds and toggle it on, then try again. If problems persist, forget the device in Settings and Repair or Power Cycle and reset the accessory following its manual. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings only as a last resort, because that clears Wi-Fi passwords and other saved networks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.